Hello everyone, my name is Bala. I am part of Rednote team. Now I am going to explain about our Rednote Payroll software. So the Rednote Payroll software will be helpful to generate your employees' payslips and leave management, attendance tracking, and then automatically detects the PF, ESI, professional tax, and TDS. So this is software, integrated software. This will helpful to see your employees' data in a single login. Let me log in into our demo login. So once you logged into our application, you can see the various menus. So let me switch to HRMS portal. So this is a dashboard where you can see the employee details, approval status, leaves, resignation, calendar, and today's employee details. Before getting into our application, our system will ask you for four important steps. First one is employee master. So employee master, you have to create your employees using this screen, or else you can import the as Excel format. There are certain fields are available for employees: first name, last name, email ID, EPF number, Aadhaar number, UAN number, ESI number, their salary details, salary per month, salary per year, and then their bank details. If you want to give the ESS portal access, you can give. Otherwise, you can revoke it. There are employee code can be generated automatically. Otherwise, you can set as manually based on the settings. And then once you have added the employee details, it will show you the experience, previous experience, academic info, assets. Asset in the sense, if you provide mobile or company bike, you can add it in our software, and this will show you what are all the assets available for the employees. And salary breakup, based on the structure, it will show you the salary breakup, revision history, statement. So if you provide salary advance, this will show you the statement of advance issued and statement of advance deducted. Attachments, you can upload their documents into our software. And then preference, so if you don't want to detect the PF, ESI, professional tax, and IT for particular staff, you can set as no. So if you set as no for PF, the PF will not be calculated for particular user. And second important thing is payroll setting. So payroll setting. So this setting has to be configured initially in order to generate the payslip. So there are important settings are available. Pay cycle. You have to configure your pay cycle, whether it is a 1 to 30% or 24 to 25. Sorry, 24 to 23, 25 to 24 kind of configuration has to be done. And whether if you're detecting PF, you have to set the PF percentage, ESA percentage, and professional tax, income tax, and in terms of income tax, you have to set the deduction based on declaration month, deduction based on the proof. You have to set the months to detect the IT income, that means income tax. So you can set old regime or new regime, and you can set attendance using manual, hardware, or software. So if you set manual, you have to enter the in time out time of your employees manually. If it is hardware, it will synchronize with biometric device. If it is software, your employees will put the attendance from the GSS portal. So next third thing is salary component. You have to configure the component of your employee's salary using this screen. We have set of components in our software. You can choose any one of components. Once it is done, you have to configure the salary structure. So salary structure means salary breakup of your employees based on the salary component which you configured in our screen. So your salary per month has to be matched with component value. So once structure is configured, so your configuration has been done, then we can go ahead for the attendance section. So attendance can be synchronized with your biometric device. That means if you have any biometric device installed in your company, that can be synchronized with our software. This will show you the attendance log from the software, I mean from your hardware device. So if you set manual attendance, user can click on new, and they can set the attendance on daily basis. in time, out time. If they are not working, they have to set the leave type. So this will detect the leave count. And then regularization is nothing but if in case of any problem in the biometric device, they has to apply the regularization to regularize the in time and out time. That regularization has to be approved by admin team, and that has to be submitted from the ESS portal. That ESS portal, in the sense employee self service portal, I'll show you in the separate video. And then approve OT. So if your company has OT overtime feature, you can enable this overtime. So employee will apply the overtime, and then admin has to approve the OT. And then reimbursement. So reimbursement is also same thing. So employee has to upload their bills of expenses using ESS portal. Admin has to approve, and you can set a maximum limit for each and every employee per month, so that the system will not allow your employees to uh, upload the documents beyond the limit. And then leave management. So leave management is a separate module. So your employees will apply the leave. Before that, you have to configure the leave types. You have to configure the leave types available for your company, and then you can configure the leave types for your employees. So for an example, if you don't want to give the marriage leave but for particular employee, you can revoke it. That's all. So based on the employee experience, you can provide the leaves. Once it is done, they can apply the apply the leave from ESS portal, and that has to be approved from the admin side. Kind of this. And as an admin, you can see the leave balances of your all employees. This is completely test data. So you can see the screen of leave balance. And then is payroll section. So before getting into the payslip generation, let me explain about our advance salary part. So advance salary is nothing but whenever you are issuing an advance salary, you have to enter a record in this advance salary by selecting the employee details and date of issue and advance amount. 5,000. For an example, for 5,000, I'm going to issue a particular employee. Recovery mode is lump sum or installment. So if you set as lump sum, you can, this 5,000 will be deducted as a single amount. That means in this case, 5,000 will be deducted. If you set it as 2,000, this will detect 2,000 first month, 2,000 second month, and third month it will detect 1,000 rupees. See, because 4,000 plus 1,000, 5,000. So if you set as installment, this will calculate automatically based on the installment count. So I'm setting as 5. So 1,000 will be detected automatically each and every month. And recovery cycle is monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly, or yearly. So you can set monthly. Recover from which month? So April 2023. From the April 2023, 1,000 will be deducted from the pay from the salary of particular employee. This can be saved. So this is advance issue. Once advance issued, so while generating the payslip, this will be reflected based on the employees. And salary revision. Salary revision, whenever you are giving an increment, so you have to enter enter the records in the salary revision. So you have to select the employee details, increment value. So based on this, it will calculate revised salary per month. You can set percentage as well. So if you set 10%, so this will calculate 10% from this salary. And then let me set as 1,000 rupees for testing purpose. So payout from which month you are going to pay. So let me share as March 2023. Already this is generated. So if it is generated, you cannot apply. Let me select April. Okay. So if you want to pay the arrears for particular person, you can set as same April 2023. Arrears for I'm going to pay for February 23 and March 23. That means you are going to pay the 1,000 from the April, but company is going to pay the arrears amount of 1000 for February and March on April 2023, and you have to configure the 1000 to you have to configure the component. So 400 is basic based on the formula. HRA for an example is setting as 200, and I'm setting at 300, 200, and 100. So 1000 should be matched. So you can save it. That's all. Once it is done, this will reflected on the particular payroll generation. So there are every steps has been done. Now I'm going to generate the payslip. So before that, I missed an important thing of TDS, and you have to see the tax regime. So from the ESS portal, employee can select the tax regime. So from admin portal, they has to approve and approve declaration. So the declaration part can be approved from the admin side. The same declaration has to be entered by the employee using ESS portal. Now I'm going to explain about the payroll section, generating payroll. This has to be done each and every month, 31st or 1st based on your pay date. So let me explain, let me open a single payroll entry. So salary month of May 2022. So I'm clicking next. So there are these sections are available to generate a payroll. So first section is in attendance. This will fetch out the data from the biometric device and show you the work days and leave calculation and LOP days. Since it is demo, I set it as manual. If you want to set as automated, these boxes will be disabled and automatically fetched from the leave balances. So I'm clicking next. So salary revision. If you increase the salary for a particular person for the month of April, so this will display the revision history. And then ad hoc payment. If you provide a ad hoc payment like incentives or kind of any performance bonus, you can add a ad hoc amount as ad hoc amount, and you have to set it as employee name and then amount. Enter the ad hoc amount. So 1000. Same. You have to set the salary breakup. Once all are entered, you can see the ad hoc amount here. Clicking next. OT. If you, as I said, user has to apply the OT from the ESS portal. Admin has to approve. Once it is approved, the approved OT overtime will be displayed in this screen. I'm clicking next. Reimbursement. So approved reimbursement will be displayed over here. So approved reimbursement amount will be credited to the users. And then advance amount. This is advance repayment. So as I said, if it is set as installment per month, 1000 means that 1000 will be displayed to the particular user. And then clicking next, salary and hold. If you want to hold the salary for a particular person, you can set and take some reasons and add. And then that is final section. So salary process. So now salary process calculated based on the attendance, salary revisions, advances. So you can see I'm clicking generate section. That's all. So salary has to be paid for the month of May is 3,29,358 rupees. So now I'm going to show you the payslip format. So I'm showing the sample payslip format. This is your company name. This can be replaced by your company name, your address, and salary slip for the month of January, employee code, and your salary breakup, EPF number of days, and PF ESA calculation, income tax. This will show you everything, and you can print it also. Same payslip will be displayed for the employees in the ESS portal. And then resignation screen. So resignation can be applied from the ESS portal, and then that has to be approved in the HRMS portal. And then reports. There are certain reports available. Salary register. This will show you the register of your salary for the month. April 2020. This will show you the entire data. And professional tax. So based on the deduction, it will show you the professional tax statement, PF statement. It will show you employee deduction and employee reduction of PF, and ESA statement. Payment advice. This will show you the payment advice which has to be paid to the employee. So this will show you employee details, account number, bank name, and IFSC. All details are dummy. All details are dummy entries since it is a demo account. So once you are satisfied with Rednote Payroll demo, you can create a sign up. You can create an account using the links which is mentioned on the description. And if you have queries, you can contact our support team. We have mentioned our support team numbers on the description itself. Thank you so much for your time and looking forward to working with your company. Thank you so much. Bye.